Did you know that Poznan holds the title of Poland's oldest city and holds a stunning Renaissance town hall that witnessed the signing of a significant historical document? Here are the best things to do in Poznan, Poland. Number 10. Poznan's Old Market Square. Welcome to Poznan Old Market Square, a charming destination that will captivate you with its Renaissance-style architecture and vibrant atmosphere. Wander through this picturesque square and marvel at the splendid historic buildings like the Town Hall and Merchant House, each showcasing unique architectural beauty. The square comes alive with cultural activities, from lively street performances to colorful festivals, ensuring there's never a dull moment. Indulge in the delightful dining options available, ranging from traditional Polish cuisine to international delights. Also, you will be pleased to find art galleries showcasing the works of local and international talents. When the sun sets, dive into the city's electrifying nightlife with an array of bars and clubs offering music, dancing, and lively socializing. Number 9. Poznan Town Hall Clock at Noon. Make sure to set your alarm and head over to Poznan's Old Market Square in time for midday to witness the enchanting spectacle of the Poznan Town Hall clock. This 16th century clock tower is more than just a historical landmark. It's an engaging tourist attraction that will captivate your heart. At precisely noon every day, mechanical goats emerge from doors beneath the clock tower, delighting visitors with their amusing show called Billy. This endearing tradition immerses you in the local culture, leaving you with unforgettable memories of your travels. The ornate architecture of the tower, juxtaposed against the traditional tenements surrounding it, creates a picturesque scene that highlights Poznan's rich cultural heritage. Number 8. Farah Pozna. Farah Pozna is one of the city's top attractions you shouldn't miss. This charming Roman Catholic basilica is every traveler's dream come true. Its entrancing pink exterior stands out amidst other architectural landmarks in the country, luring tourists worldwide. As you wander around this striking tourist attraction, take in the irresistible beauty of its intricately adorned interior. Feast your eyes on the adorable stained glass windows that flood the space with a kaleidoscope of colors, creating a serene and spiritual ambience. While you're there, don't forget to climb the majestic tower for panoramic views of the city's gripping skyline. You can also soak up the tranquil atmosphere by attending a mesmerizing choir performance or a traditional Catholic Mass. Number 7. Morasco Meteorite Nature Reserve. Enjoy the fascinating geological formations at the Morasco Meteorite Nature Reserve. This protected area boasts 7 meteor craters, some as wide as 330 feet and up to 40 feet deep, even after thousands of years of erosion. The craters, estimated to be around 35 to 5,000 years old, offer a mesmerizing sight for visitors. Take a leisurely walk along the well-designed educational trail, where you can learn about the remarkable impact caused by an iron meteorite that formed these awe-inspiring craters. Informative boards placed strategically throughout the reserve provide valuable insights into this unique landscape, making it an enriching experience for all. And with its tranquil surroundings and intriguing history, the reserve offers the perfect chance to reconnect with nature. Number 6. Poznan Cathedral Island. Cathedral Island is an absolute gem for anyone who loves culture and serenity. It's like stepping into a time machine that takes you back to the early days of Poland. Strolling through the peaceful streets, you'll be amazed by the beautiful street art that adds a touch of creativity to the surroundings. And of course, don't miss the main attraction, Poznan Cathedral, the oldest cathedral in the country. Its sheer grandeur and religious significance will leave you in awe. Moreover, the serene atmosphere and stunning views make it an ideal place for reflection and contemplation. By the way, check the links in the description for recommended tour operators that will enhance your Poznan experience and save you valuable time and effort. Number 5. Poznan Imperial Castle. Visit Poznan's iconic palace, the Imperial Castle, also known as Zamek, to experience its alluring history firsthand. This magnificent structure, built in 1910 during German rule, holds a significant place in the region's heritage. Its construction was intended to symbolize power and prestige, reflecting the authority of the ruling powers during that era. Over the years, it has transformed into a popular tourist attraction, drawing visitors from far and wide. The castle's stunning architecture and grandeur are sure to captivate your senses, leaving you awe-inspired by its beauty. As you explore its opulent rooms adorned with intricate details and luxurious furnishings, you'll be immersed in the city's captivating past. Number 4. Royal Castle of Poznan. If you are into history, make sure to explore the Royal Castle of Poznan. This majestic palace, the largest castle in the Polish kingdom, is perfect for architecture lovers too. The 13th century construction, reconstructed after World War II, now houses the Museum of Applied Arts, offering an intriguing blend of history and art. Also, the castle's exciting design and rich cultural heritage will leave you in awe. As you wander through its grand halls and intricate chambers, immerse yourself in the lovely ambience of the past. What's more, head up to the observation deck for panoramic views of Poznan's beauty. The beautiful sights will make your visit even more memorable and grant you a newfound appreciation for this historical landmark. Number 3. Try St. Martin's Croissant. As part of your Poznan adventure, you absolutely cannot miss out on trying the mouth-watering St. Martin's Croissant. This traditional pastry is so much more than just a delicious snack. It's a symbol of the lively St. Martin's Day celebrations and a beloved treasure of the city. Picture this: a warm, flaky croissant filled with heavenly white poppy seeds, lovingly prepared by skilled bakers in Poznan. The flavors are just out of this world. With each bite, you'll quickly understand why it's one of Poznan's most cherished delicacies. To enhance your experience, savor the croissant alongside a steaming cup of hot chocolate at one of the charming local cafes. Number 2. Poznan Palm House. For a more enchanting and rejuvenating experience, make your way to the Poznan Palm House. Step into a mesmerizing oasis brimming with lush greenery, vibrant blossoms, and exotic plants from every corner of the globe. Wander through connected greenhouses that take you to diverse climates and continents without leaving the city center. Let the melodious symphony of colorful exotic birds serenade you as you explore this lovely botanical garden. It's a haven for nature enthusiasts seeking respite from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. The sight of towering palms, intriguing cacti, and an array of astonishing flora will leave you spellbound. And when you need a moment to relax, head to the delightful cafe nestled within the Palm House grounds. Number 1. Viel Pochowski National Park. Just 9 miles south of Poznan lies the mesmerizing Viel Pochowski National Park, an absolute haven for nature enthusiasts and anyone seeking a soul-soothing escape. Enveloped by verdant pine forests, this breathtaking nature reserve casts an irresistible charm on all who venture there. The park is a treasure trove of avian wonders, with more than 220 bird species calling it home, making it perfect for bird watching. Ornithologists in particular find this ecological preserve a haven for rare sightings. Since its establishment in 1957, the park has meticulously preserved ancient pine forests, evoking a sense of timeless beauty and ecological significance. While exploring the well-marked forest trails, keep an eye out for the park's 32 majestic tree nature monuments, which bear testimony to the area's ecological heritage.